Hey guys, it's Joy, your travel expert on Icon of the Sea, and we are in an ocean view balcony. Here is the balcony. And something different for Icon is these chairs do lean back. Then you have the sofa that turns into a bed and also has a trundle for your fourth occupancy. Then you have drawers here for storage. Your little beverage fridge. They aren't huge, so you're not keeping a whole lot in there. Desk area, plugs, lots of USBs and USB-C. Mirror. This does move for room service or heating in the bed. We have a side table. This is a queen. Over here you have the closet. Also different for Icon, you have the storage bins. Another closet, longer hanging things. You kind of missed it, but there is some little teeny storage right here. And some more plugs. You have a pretty big TV. It is over this bed and not the other bed. Save, some more storage. And then my favorite part for Icon is this bathroom. It is much bigger. And look at this shower. You've got a little seat in there to shave your legs, towels. Some more storage under the sink, toilet, more storage on the back wall. It's actually a pretty big bathroom. And there you have it, guys.